And remember,
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I I'm late just because things are not working. I did like all this background music and all these things for you, but then it's again doing the same thing. So I'm gonna have to find another method. But we won't have background music today. Let's get everything started though. I also made a huge change. Not a huge, it's pretty big. I switched to NQ, no more micros. I made the changes because, the commissions, the partial fills. Um, I just felt like, I only am not doing it because I know it's going to take like a 2 hour job because trading view is, I'm not going to say, it's just not good. Like, I should have the ability to just, like copy and paste the lines because um it's the same price, right? If anything it's off by like maybe a point, but no, this did all did not copy properly, and I had to manually do it, which took 2 hours, but it's done and I'm grateful that it's done. Let's get everything open. Okay, well, that's opening. As you know, the conflict with US and Iran um, will make the market more volatile today. Um, so we need to be careful. Need to be risk off and aligned. And this should work. Oh, okay. So I kind of understand how it works though. Basically, anything you open after OBS, that's kind of annoying, but I could do that. It is kind of annoying though. Okay, let's do it because I know it'll work. Oh my god, just give me please. Okay. Oh, and I just realized all my lines are missing. So I have to, it's, it's always something. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so now you should be able to start hearing my stream. I'm gonna just set it up for you. Yes, there it is. I'm gonna connect. Here we go. Now you can hear the background music. Perfect. I will now need to restart the charts because I don't have what I want. Okay. Still no lines on any of the charts. Okay, we'll try another thing. Trading view, open it here. This worked last time, so it should work again. So let's go to ES 50-minute. Why has And you know what's funny is I spent 2 hours doing this, right? Um, and I'm left with no lines. Oh, it really likes to test me. Like, what? Okay. Uh, oh yeah, this is good. Okay, perfect. Maybe it'll work. Let's be hopeful. Let's be hopeful. Because that's really all I can do. I just have to, like, accept it. This is, like, honestly, it's irritating. Like, it's like every, time I open it, this is, I have to, like, do this. Okay, I got my lines. So, I mean, at least I know the fix, which is good. I mean, it helps. Okay, guys, we're good now. Sorry about that. Okay, so order flow is different too because, you know, I changed to NQ. Um, yeah, okay. Let's get started. Trading with you won't be able to talk. Oh, that's cool. No worries, Scott. Thanks for tuning in. So we're gonna start with the 1 day in 1 week. So we can see that we did sell off, but it's not anything crazy. I mean, we still respected the 1 week low. So yeah, we couldn't even break the low here. We did react to the 200 EMA. Nice. And on ES, we're basically already back into the range too. It's kind of crazy. And here, yeah, we're okay. Let's check the 1 hour and 4 hour. Okay, just want to make the charts more readable for us. Okay, so you know the consolidation from last week, we manipulated, we came back to the range, and then we broke down. Well, Sunday, yeah, this is Sunday, so what? Yeah, this is Sunday, and we continued down. And on the 1 hour, it's a little bit more clear. We literally broke down and had a nice, like, immediate push up, then another sell off. Found a support here, which is the 200 EMA on the 1 day for NQ, and basically the low of the range. Like, we slightly on ES, we slightly pushed lower, but still it's like finding a pretty major support, so not anything crazy. And then buyers pushed second leg, and then we're opening up basically at the highs. So I kind of already had a vision that this is what's gonna happen, but I actually kind of did think that we're gonna literally just chop and like sell off and then chop, but this is okay too. Okay, let's check the 15-minute and 30-minute. Okay, so yeah, it's really more understanding of what it was. Okay. Oh, cool. So let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute. Okay. 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 So basically, yeah, buyers immediately ran up, bought the dip. A little bit of a jackknife, a little bit of consolidation, but nothing out of the blue. I think we're good. We analyzed what we needed to analyze. I think that's great. Now, I'd just like to mention that you're here to be detached. What Zach has to speak.
Surrendering, non-striving, discipline and patience is your identity. Sit on your hands, Aki. Sit on your hands. Don't act. Only act when A++ setup comes. Look for structure, high quality structure, and don't lower your standards. A+, A+. Second leg only, high structure. Look at the divergence. What is QQ doing? What is Pi doing? Which index is leading? What is the time frames? What time is it? Are the rules respecting? Can you define cheap entry? Can you have a cheap R? Is it worth the risk? Can I sit and be more patient? Let's go. Surrender.
Yeah. So what I was saying was that basically we're gonna be detached, focusing on just trading the best quality, no extremes, not trying to maximize the day, not trying to fix anything, just simply sit here and trade well. So okay, sorry about that. So buyers are manipulating higher, but could this could be just a manipulation and we come back to the range, or we actually just actually do push. We are reacting to the 58 EMA. Okay. Yeah, I would wait this out just because we're reacting to yesterday's support as well. We had a high VIX of 25. We're at 22 now. Just waiting this out. I'm good for the liquidity, but I don't need to rush this. So testing Valerie low and Valerie high. To see how this closes. So do I like the risk?
Come with a good mindset by non-striving, by practicing less is more and surrendering to what you have. If you're green, if you're red, if you're break even, if you're taking losses, if you're making profit, just walk away. You don't need to strive. You don't need to strive. You don't need to maximize the day. You don't need to blow up. You just need equilibrium and calmness. That's what's going to help you have a very good market break. Zaki, don't strive.
I'm gonna have to remove this order because we have news in 30 seconds. Just curious. What, like, I feel like we could actually break down, you know, have a good retracement back into this range, and I would like to see that. Like, I think that would be good for, if like it would just be nothing but a liquidity play. Okay, right back to the range. So if I got filled from my original order, yeah, it would have been played out, right? Uh, yeah, it would have been played out. Knife. I ain't gonna play this. It could work, it could not work, but I'm gonna be more patient. Because it's Monday, like what the tone I set today is a tone I'll set for the week, right? That's how I'm thinking about it. Okay, we finally feel the liquidity. A little bit of a divergence here. NQ making you high. NQ double top. Decent close, but this divergence got me a little bit worried. It'll probably be too slow, but like honestly, another wick down is possible. Let's see if it played out. Yeah, it would have played out. Three dojis. Could be a breakout. I don't like the breakout idea. Okay. Shoot. How do you react to these wicks? So fast. I'm gonna wait. It's the last 10 seconds. Seller's getting more aggressive here. Continuation down is possible. The sellers are still going though. The buyers are still going, sorry. Let's see how this closes. Might not, yeah, I might just play. Okay, the moves are happening. It's good. I'm being cautious. I'm avoiding trades. I'm happy about that. And we front run liquidity, so it would have been a very nice trade. Simply, trusting these. I think it's just the fact that I feel like my risk is too tight, so I feel like I don't want to take the noise. So I mean, I'm okay with it. If I don't feel comfortable with it, that's fine. Yeah, another winner. Yeah, I'm being very careful, but it's okay. I'm not mad at myself. I guess the thing is also in my head that I'm like, okay, this rally is great, but I feel like it's too easy, and if it's too easy, then sellers will give more pain and then do the thing, but it doesn't look like it's happening. We got Valley area there. Definitely gonna front run it. Okay, low volume node here too. I don't like the jackknife though. I think it's gonna be a deeper pullback.
It's almost been an hour. How are you feeling? Are you self-aware? How's your
Yeah.
self-control?
Great.
How's your emotional regulation?
I also realized that some of mine are just checkpoints, like checklists. Like, are you this? Are you that? Like, this I need to fix, but like I'm okay with it. Okay, so having the pullback, I want to see that. That's what I thought would happen in the first candle, but didn't. It's okay. And we're a little bit of a good pullback. That's what you want to see. So now we're retapping this multi-top. Want to see how this candle closes. We have a low volume node right here too. You might fill it. We're testing it. No, that was buyer stepped in quick. Mm. This might close as a doji. It would have almost filled me out. I'll let the candle close. Rough close. Mm-mm. Okay. Good. Oh wow, that played out. Couldn't get into that. It played out perfectly, but I pressed the button, it didn't fill me, so it was a rejected order. So would have been a winner right there. Hey, would I have been able to handle the risk? I don't think so. Hmm. I rushed that. Basically, I just rushed the trade. Should have been a bit more patient. Yeah. It's alright, lost though. Not bad. POC flipped. The thing is, I know these. Like, I'm ready to play these moves, but the confirmation I'm looking for is just not valid. I guess you could say. Let's wait for a pullback. Nice scalp. I was just a little bit careful with that. Would have been good for more, but that's okay. It's kind of too early to judge, but I'm seeing my orders get filled like slower, which is a little bit worrisome. I don't know if it's NQ related or oh. We compound slowly and steadily. Wait, what? Um, Mhm.
Strive and walk away and be okay with it.
Another just impatient trait. Not part of that. Need to slow down because it's like I'm speeding up, which is costing me, right? There's still liquidity there. Yeah. Like it's just the risk. Like Jesus, it played out perfectly. Kind of, it's just frustrating because these trades work. It's just sometimes a risk. It's the only element because I can't risk too much, and I did risk a little bit more, and I'm like down so much more too. And I like, wow. Hey Tanishk, today's volatile. Took a like basically my first trade was like it's just incredible patience, and I avoided like three good trades, and I just I messed up the first trade I took. Then the second trade was amazing. Third trade was amazing, but I could have looked for more. Third trade, sorry, fourth trade. I just got in too soon. Then the second, the next trade was just this. I have the pattern. Like I know this thing I try to do is when I'm wrong, I try to be right again, which is just pointless. And then I had a good stop here, and now I had a nice play out. So we're at VWAP now. Okay. IB is present. So Tanishk, what's your favorite fruit? Oh, do you like the new I changed the background. It's like this glowing fire. I changed it up. I also added a few things like you hear the background music? I hope you do. I added background music. I added hashtags to my stream, so like it helps with discovery. But the stream is not doing very well. You don't like fruits, man? What? How? Like no fruits? I also added like look, like when I start this, I'm happy with it. You're an alien. Yeah. Is the background music like loud enough, or should it be louder? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, a little push up right off IB. I'm sorry, VWAP. Honestly, if this candle closes well, I can see buyers stepping in again. Oh, wow.
Are you trying to maximize a day? Are you trying to fix losses? Stop. Just stop.
These
Be
are my
aligned.
reminders.
Be disciplined. Look at your risk. Do not act out of urges. You want to be the good trader? Feel the urge to take another trade. Feel the urge to still sit.
I'm gonna
But
do the
not
Reddit
act.
thing.
If you are green and you want to keep on going because the market's moving nice,
I'm
walk.
gonna let him finish.
If you are red and you want to close the day green, walk. Feel the urge. You don't need to act. You gotta survive. One day is just is
Okay. Yeah, it's a new thing I'm doing. I used to be like, you know what, like that's kind of weird, but I was like, you know what, I don't care. People find it weird. People find it weird. You gotta be on your top performance here. You gotta get these reminders. What did you say? The Reddit thing, yeah. No, I haven't done it yet, but it's like on my checklist. Like I'm gonna do it for sure. I'm gonna try to like, because it's March break here, I'm gonna try to like release a good amount of videos. But episode 3 is coming out soon. After this, I'm like Imam Ghazi. How? He's cool, but I used to really like him. I actually even bought one of his courses. But now I'm just like his content is too like it helped me out 100%, but once I got the information, I don't need his help anymore. So now it's just like I find him kind of like he's trying to get his audience are like people just wanting to get into business, just wanting to like, make money. That helped me like the first 1 year, but now I don't need him. And I like all his new things, I'm just like kind of grossed out by it just because it's like he tries so hard to do it. I understand it's like he needs to. He's marketing. Um I don't know, he's making a lot of money off it too. I mean, it's not a scam, I would say, but I don't think it lives to the potential. I think that's really just it. So that trade wouldn't have played out, but in front run it. No, yeah, that's. It's a tight range, right on view up and point of control. I want to short this, but I feel like I should wait, yeah. Because other people I think need to short that too. Look how fast this thing is moving. I really just want to see how it closes. I'm not gonna jump this. But I mean, I don't think it's gonna play out 20 points right now. Maybe it will, but I mean, ES needs a pullback. Okay, pullback. No, maybe. Thinking about it. We're fronting this low volume node too. Oh, it slipped me? Seriously? I'm getting out of that then. It slipped me. Yeah, what's my commissions like? Significant? No, wait. That's weird, right? Gross P&L? No way. Commissions are so much cheaper. That's amazing. So I'm noticing it. Yeah, so I'm happy I got out of that. I didn't overstay my welcome. I got slipped and I just bailed. That was a good thing. I'm proud of myself. Staying that would have been super duper risky. All this is low volume, which is worrying me. Sell it wouldn't be that bad of an idea. Let me just see. So stepping. Okay. I don't think I think it was a small loss though, which is good. Mm, 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 mm. Oh yeah, there's a lot of liquidity higher.
Do you have the urge to stay? Do you have the urge to take another trade? Do you have the urge to just react on FOMO and losses? If so, don't. What you should do is have urge management, regulate yourself, and do what is optimal. When you feel to stay, walk. When you feel to take another trade, don't. It's okay, don't strive. Less is more. Actually live what you preach. And it starts now.
$9.50. It's like I mean I'm always filled up poorly, but it's what it is, man. I could have just played at IB. Okay. Sounds good. buyers really absorb sellers there, which I like. It's not good for enough, and what I would need to expect is a breakout, which I don't want to be a part of. We react to IB. Let's just see how this plays out though. If I turn the liquidity. Okay. Very quick moves. It's okay. Jackknife. Very nice rejection. Too early. Good, but didn't get filled well. Good, but got out too quick. This trade was too fast, and then this trade was like, why am I getting into it again, you know? And it played out. It's just like I needed to risk a little bit more, and then this trade was immediate stomp out. This trade played out. This trade, I got out because of I got slipped, and this trade, what happened here? I think this was the break even, and then here. I mean, I need to just slow down and be more careful, and that's really it. not working out for me. Fuck. Hmm. I'm gonna walk. It's like frustrating. I'm like, I was up basically 1 hour, then break even, and it's just like these. I don't know. I'm just also not liking how much I'm getting slipped and all like not the first best with NQ, but it's okay. Mm. No, that's annoying. Really annoying. Fuck. Okay. I mean, I just fucked up. Okay, wow. Just, wow. Really, it's the importance of like the fact that I took like one loss and I managed to get to break even. I mean, I was up almost a 1 hour and I kept on striving. Like, it's just, oh, damn. Okay, I'm just calling it. What the hell? Can't do much right now. Even if I try, it's like, yeah. Like, overstay my welcome. Truly, man. Just overstay my welcome. It stings. It hurts. It's just that, you know, I know, like, this count ran up 10K. Yeah, it's rough. Like the fact that, okay, first trade, you know, I missed out and I took this trade, okay, Then these two were winners, but yeah, I mean, yeah, it's like you still like we're green, and then I just kept on trading. It's just like, look at this. It's just trading frequency traded. It's like, okay, I have to go. I don't wanna. I don't wanna like ruin my mood completely. So I'm just stop. I just gotta stop. That's about it. Okay.
Escalate.
I'm not
Do not
escalating.
escalate.
Good timing, huh?
Stop striving.
Yeah, no, I'm out. I'm out, man. It's just, I'm upset. Sure, I'm just upset. Like the fact that you're up 10,000, right? And then 11,000. But I mean, I could have just simply, if I followed my rules, I took one loss, then I took two winners, and I should have called it, but I didn't. It's like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna go.